my spine, cold breath crawling down my fur-lined neck. Concrete alley, sodium light, boot steps counting down my dead. They thought I'd bow like a kennel train ghost, tagging my ear number on file. But I'm no stray in the choke chain state. I go wildfire in my snarling smile. Gold glint shimmer from a rooftop crown, crosshair dancing on my chest. They pulled the trigger, thunder crack, but fate bit back and missed the rest. You can't color what was born to bite. You can't cage what hunts at night. You can't silence blood that drums like war beneath the city's hum. You almost had me in your sight, silver bullet, neon night, but I'm still breathing, teeth still bright. Now hear me how we rise, we fight from gutter bone to skyline throne. We claim the streets you said you own. You pulled the trigger, missed the mark. Now watch us set the dark on fire. My tail was low but never tucked. My claws were cracked from climbing walls. Every scar's a manifesto, every bruise a battle call. They fed us scraps and called it order, stamped our paws would stay in line. But prey don't dream of overthrow, only predators redefine. You shot at one, awoke the pack, echoes rolling through the den. Every rooftop, every rail now carries whispers, not again. We learned your patterns, mapped your lies, tracked your scent through suits and ties. You hunt with fear, we hunt with truth. Now feel the fury of our youth. You almost had me in your sight, stealing silence, broken lights, but I'm still standing, pulse ignites. Now hear the revolution's bite. From chain link yards to marble halls, we scratch our creed across your walls. You pulled the trigger, lit the spark. Now watch us tear apart the dark. No more muzzles, no more tags, no more begging scraps in bags. We are claws and we are creed. We are hunger turned to need. You try to bury what we are, but wolves remember every scar. You almost ended what I am, one more name on your command, but I survived your killing hand. Now we reclaim this bloodstained land. Hear the sirens, hear the choir, hear 1,000 throats of fire. You aim to silence just one spark. Now feel the wildfire in the dark. Next time you see my shadow pass, know this truth carved deep and fast. You missed, and missing me was your last.